Good evening, everyone. My name is Dai Gang. Today I'm going to present my paper entitled Inability of Accounting Variables by those smaller firms. So when I was going to do the research, the first question coming to my mind is, why do value firms? Why is it an issue? On the rational investor standpoint, what they most care about is return, money, how they earn money in the stock market. They should figure out whether the company is overvalued or undervalued in order to grasp the opportunity to buy and sell the stock. And the purpose of this is the starting point of my research. And so what is the purpose of the research? The purpose of the research is to provide an empirical examination of whether we can predict the market value of publicly traded companies by means of accounting variables. To approach these questions, I think of it as two small questions. The first one is how much variability of market value can be explained by the accounting information. And the second one is what we break down the companies into three groups: small one, middle one, and large one. The data come from compute stat. After eliminating the missing value of the financial companies, we were left with 1694 actively exchange-traded companies. And the method I got the data into three groups is to rank the market value of the companies by the ascending order, where the first 564 companies are small company groups, and the next 565 companies are middle company groups, and the last 565 companies are large company groups. I got 23 accounting variables on my plate to pick from, and they are all good predictors in 1% significance level. So how to pick up accounting variables? Correlation is used to find the relationship between the market value and the accounting variables. Let's see the table. If one accounting variable is highly correlated with the market value, then it is a great probability that a great portion of the variability can be explained by these accounting variables. And I went through the same process one by one and found the best accounting variables. After picking up the accounting variables, multiple linear regression is used here to analyze all the variables I picked to find the best model. Here's the model I found. All the variables are significant at the 1% level. And for the total sample, about 89% of the total variability can be explained by as few as 4 accounting variables. But however, for subsample regression, the small company sample only accounts for 41% explained by the accounting variables, and for middle company sample, only 30% can be explained. But for the large one, a large firm sample, 88% can be explained. I also it demonstrates that large company. It demonstrates that the strong regression showing the last slide is driven by the large company samples. I also got some plots to help you understanding the regression. This is a scatter plot for large companies. You can see this is the equation of this line is y equal x. You can see the data point for the large companies is well fitted to the line. It means we can have a good estimation of the market value by applying this model. However, for the small and middle company groups, the data is not well fitted to the line. You can see if we plug in the accounting variables, the estimated data you will find is on the line, but the actual data is far from it. It means the result is inaccurate. So from the plots and the R-square table, as you see, we can draw the conclusion that the ability to explain the market value is low for the small and middle companies relative to that of large companies, which is how I got the title Inability of Accounting Variables to Apply to Smaller Firms. For now, the causes is unknown. Maybe it's because there are qualitative factors that are not captured by the accounting data, or maybe this market is inefficient. So the valuation of the smaller companies is irrational, or maybe the cash flow and the accounting information is computed in different ways. I will leave the study for leave the further study to others. Yes. So the result of the first of the large company groups is accurate. So we can plug in the accounting information to find the most overvalued and undervalued firms. Here is the result I got. The top 3 most undervalued firms is Verizon, Chevron, Daimler, and the top 3 most overvalued firms is Amazon, Glee, and Apple. Okay, thank you.